Hey, y'all, it's your girl, Gigi Jones, and today is Mother's Day. So happy Mother's Day to all the beautiful mothers out there and the mothers to be. And today I am with my mother and my girls and my nieces. And so the question is, what's your favorite meal that your mom prepared for you? And what is the least favorite meal that you did not like?
My favorite meal my mom has cooked me is what you be cooking?
You tried it.
Macaroni. And my least favorite, green beans. My new one is spaghetti. I hate spaghetti. They make it too much.
Yeah.
Best meal my mom's cooked was the orange marmalade roast beef, or like her crock pot roast beefs were really good. My least favorite meal, let me go. Chicken Divine is the one that comes to my head, but there was some other ones that you just took a bite of and let it go.
Like what?
I don't remember, but I just remember it.
She said it's a good amount.
Not a good amount, but for top Chicken Divine. I just got tired of Chicken Divine. Chicken Divine never got nasty. I got tired of it.
Gotcha.
But yeah.
Hello. Yeah. My mom's not a bad cook, so there's not like a dish that is like nasty. Sorry, that's a lie. I do not like Miami fried rice. I don't think it has anything to do with my mother. I just don't like the food. I don't like it. My favorite one, I'm gonna say the kale soup. Kale soup made me feel really good inside.
Hello. My favorite one, but I think my favorite one is Chicken Divine. It's really funny. Or the kale soup. The kale soup is really good. My least favorite one, not one that she cooked, but whenever she said we were having crabs for dinner, that was my least favorite time. Because that's not real food. And I was tired of that. So, yeah, crabs for dinner was the literal worst. But yeah, that's my favorite one.
Okay, so my favorite meal from my mom is her roast beef and potatoes, and her fried chicken. My least favorite is liver and squash.
So my favorite from my mom is her sweet potato pie. So wait, let me preface. My mom, anything my mama cook for the most part, it's gonna be yummy, delicious. Delicious. Period. Right? But I cannot eat anyone else's sweet potato pie without comparing to my mama. So as far as the least thing,
One time,
Grandma. No, I love her rutabaga.
No, Grandma one time forgot to season meat, and she cooked it. We were sitting we were like, Grandma, what's wrong with this?
I'm trying to help you think. What is your least?
I don't.
Cornbread?
No, that cornbread be kicking.
Unless it's cooked on the stove. I just don't like the stove.
I don't. I can't.
Thank you.
What you mean?
Okay, so my least favorite would be the coconut cakes because I don't like coconut. Like my favorite meal that mommy cooked was like when she would do the sweet potatoes, baked sweet potatoes, and fried pork chops. So like rutabagas, yeah, her collard greens, her fried fish, her fried chicken wings. I ate good as a child.
I love this look. This hat is kicking and it's matching my top. I just love it. Thanks, ladies.
Very welcome. Who picked the hat?
I
picked it.
Okay. Now listen, people. Hello.
No, I got all of Grandma's.
I'm so happy it's Mother's Day. I'm so proud of my girls. We have spent a couple of days together and it's so much fun. You should try it sometime with your family. For Mother's Day, your birthday, or any day, just pick a day and get your family together and enjoy yourselves. I'm 88 years old, so I can't remember the meals my mother cooked. But I do remember one thing, she could make some bad biscuits. I don't know what she cooked that I didn't like, because I was so hungry when I got to the table. I ate whatever she put on there. So, have a happy Mother's Day, people, ladies and men, because if your mother's still alive, I know you are happy to have her and celebrate your mother.
All right, beautiful souls. Thank you so much for looking at our Mother's Day video. I hope you all have a wonderful day. God bless you and have a fantastic week. Love ya. Bye-bye.